Vauhnda, nigga.
Nigga don't tell my rock with that bitch on to me. Ah! Yeah. Fuck nigga. Oh y'all tell me that.
Yeah, sending you fitting off. Got a circle fiend just to get it off. Mixed with the Adderall. I'm the white boys that set it off. Doing it for my dose. Turn a bit nigga, yeah, to a low. Bitch, I'm a rolling stone. Hit it and quickly fuck up a happy home. Niggas that play with it. Bop, fuck the other side. Roses they gay with it. Pussy nigga keep a fuck nigga traumatized. How does it feel to be in the field when niggas ain't real? Say you sold, yeah, to the devil, yeah, for the money, they taking the deal. Slap a nigga that ain't robbing the squeal. He died twice, yeah, that night, and not even know. That guy gave 3 lives to a dead mice. Went to Becky, give him headlights. Get a bit running round play. Blind eye, get a limelight. Giving nuts like a Klondike. Family appeal to me, so I gotta press my enemies. Some of them kin to me. They want my if they take this spot for me. Smoke me like broccoli. Only ride for niggas that ride for me. Niggas that die for me. We gon' yeah, fuck up the economy. Oh, how he made me. I was just put on this earth, yeah, ready to die. And fuck the devil, I'm giving him the medal, yeah, I'm ready to slide. Falling young angel, he ready to fly. Send a pussy nigga back to the sky. Tryna juke me for my cooking, nigga. Ain't gon' fall for fire, ain't no rookie, nigga. My owl like down in the cage. Trapped it out for minimum wage. I'ma kick you like it's Johnny a cage. I'm a gangster till they bury the graves. Man to the kids, but in the streets.